Good. So, hello. After the break, let us see the cell's adjacency. When does a cell is adjacent to another one? Or when does the value of one cell is adjacent to another value? Let us start by these three input variables, and we will put values according to each cell. 0, 0, 0, 1. Remember, is it 1, 1 or 1, 0? 1, 1. 1, 0. 0, 1. Good. Now, what are the values? The values here are 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1. Good. Look. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1. Good. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Good. 1, 1, no, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Good. 1, 0, 1, 0, no, 1. Good. 1, there. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Good. Now, friends, if you look on these values, are these values adjacent? To be adjacent, it must have one bit change. Only from one value to another value, we will have only one bit change. Now, what is that? 0, 0, 0. 0, the same bit, not change. 0, no change. 0, 1. 1 change is there. Meaning that these two values are adjacent to each other. Let us go down. 0, 0, no change. 0, 1. Change. There is a change already. 1 change is there. 0, 0. 0, 0, no change. So only one change. One bit change. So meaning that these two values are also adjacent. Now, look at down. 0, 1. A change is there already. 1, 1, no change. 0, 0, no change. So one change is there. So meaning that these two values are also adjacent. What about down there? Down. 1, 1, no change. 1, 0, change. 0, 0, no change. So these two values are also adjacent as we have only one bit change. What about these two values? These two values. 1, 1, no change. 0, 0, no change. 0, 1, a change is there. So one bit change. So these two values are also adjacent. What about the up ones? The up ones are also adjacent. Because there is only one bit change. 1, 0, 1 to 0. So these bits are also adjacent. What about this? This and this? Yes, a 0, 0, 1. One change. So these bits are also adjacent. These also are also adjacent. So dear friends, inside the map, the adjacency is verified. Now what about outside? Let us fold the map, because it is a map. If it is a map, take this, the top end and the bottom end, and fold. When you fold, this end will touch the other one. So meaning that, let us look at this value. So this value and this one, if we fold, 0, 1, a change is there. 0, 0, no change. 1, 1, no change. Meaning that, as we have only one bit change, this cell is also adjacent to the other one. Yes, these two cells are also adjacent. What about the other value and this one? Because if you fold, this value will be touching each other. The cells will be touching each other. So now, what about the values? 0, 1, 1 changes there. 0, 0, 0, 0, no change. So 1 changes there, 0, 1, meaning that this value is also adjacent to the other one. Good. Now, I think it's okay. Yeah, we have finished because the adjacency now is there. Now, what happens in the 4 input variables? When you note down all values inside, you will find that as we have 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0, remember 1, 1, and 1 is so that we can, these values are also adjacent to each other. Look, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Oh, sorry, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1 change. So these two are adjacent. These two are adjacent. These two values are also adjacent. So as the values outside they are adjacent, the same way on this side, they are also adjacent to each other. Automatically, the adjacents inside all cells will be verified, meaning that this will be adjacent to there. The same way there. All these values, the values here, the values there, the values, they will be adjacent to each other. They will be adjacent to each other. So the value here, adjacent, here, adjacent. The same way, value here and here, adjacent. The values here and here, they will be adjacent. The values here and here, they will be adjacent. The same thing, all inside the cells will be adjacent to each other. Now, what will be outside? The outside adjacency will also be verified. It means each value, the values here will be adjacent. The values here will be adjacent to each other, but each value adjacent to the next one, to his bottom or up, adjacency is verified inside. You can write the values and verify. We find that the inside is adjacent. Now, what about the outside? Let us fold the map. The top and the bottom fall together and we touch each other. So this will be adjacent to the other one. See? This value will be adjacent to the top one. So adjacent, top one, go up there. Will be adjacent from down, adjacent. This adjacent to that one, adjacent. See? This value will be adjacent to the other one, adjacent. Now, if we fold from left to right, let us fold left to right. This value, you will find that this value, this one, will be adjacent to the other one. This one will be adjacent to the other one. This one, this value here will be adjacent to the other one if we follow. So, dear friends, you can write the values and verify. You will find that if the value next to the other one, are adjacent. This to the other, adjacent. If we follow, this value will be adjacent to the other one. So, this is what we call cells adjacency. Remember, friends, the cells adjacency will be verified when you have well written the values outside. If you write 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 0, 1, 1, this will not be adjacent inside. These values are adjacent, but these two are not adjacent. Look, 1, 0, already changed. 0, 1, already changed. So these two are not adjacent. Even this one. Yeah, this is adjacent, but here it is not adjacent. So that's why, friends, you have to remember always when you are writing the values of these input variables, remember 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Remember, this is very, very important so that we can have the adjacency inside. Good. So this is what we have, and this is what we call cells adjacency using Karnaugh Map. Thank you.